better on a cold winter day than rich pasta and a cappuccino? Today we're joined by Food Network champion Chef Eric Levine, author of Burgers, Bowls, and Jars. Welcome to Daytime, Chef Eric.
Thank you for having me.
Great to have you here. And you've teamed up with Alessi, which is wonderful. Tell us a little bit about that partnership.
Well, we partnered up about 5 years ago. We opened up La Cucina at their facility, so it's kind of a test kitchen, and I get to come and play and create with all the great products that they have, which are kind of interesting because the majority of it is imported from Italy, so it's traditional, which is what they're all about, traditional Italian quality products. So for me as a chef, when you get to play with great products, it's like a day in the candy store.
It just makes it that much better.
Absolutely. So today we have the gnocchi, and they have two types of gnocchi. They have a traditional and a gluten-free, which is very important. Obviously, in this day and age with celiac being what it is, my daughter has celiac, so I'm really uber aware of it. So we have the gnocchi, and so they have two types. Again, the traditional and the gluten-free.
Is this the traditional?
This is the traditional because we want to eat a little bit different.
Yeah,
exactly. So we have the gnocchi going, and this is actually a pork ragu.
A pork ragu.
Yeah. So this inside it's ground pork. It is ground. It's bacon. It is butter, garlic, salt, pepper. We use the chunky marinara from Alessi Vigo. The garlic, a little bit of red wine, and it's a great dish. It's a great hearty, wintry kind of feel to it. Not that it really gets that cold down here.
Not so much, but a little bit.
It is a hearty dish. So all we do, it takes about 3 minutes to boil it.
So yeah, I was wondering because some people are a little intimidated about gnocchi.
Yeah, gnocchi, and gnocchi is.
Is it a potato?
It's potato, but it's the word gnocchi means lump.
Okay.
So it doesn't have to be perfect. It could be nice and fluffy. The whole idea is cooking for 3 minutes really enhances the water pulls into it.
Right.
And then it puffs up like a potato.
So it's a potato flour.
Flour, yes.
Yes, it's not a potato per se. Okay, there we have it. It's very good. I like the gnocchi.
Right, and we add
Throwing it in there with our ragu.
Right.
Lovely.
And the ragu, actually, the recipe will be in my new cookbook, Burgers, Bowls, and Jars.
Yay.
So I teamed up with Alessi. Actually, this is the second book that I've teamed up with Alessi to do, and they have some amazing products throughout the entire book, through the last cookbook, which is called Small Bites, Big Flavors, and this one comes out in June.
Nice.
Yeah, so again, the ragu can be done ahead of time, refrigerated, then when you get home, all you got to do is, so simple, boil that water, 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Throw it in there, toss it together.
People think you've worked on this for days.
For days, that's right.
And whenever I cook with their products, my food does taste better. It it has that real authentic Italian taste.
100%. When you start with a quality product, that
makes a huge difference.
Makes it so much easier.
Yes.
So just a little bit of
ooh, what's that now?
A little Parmesan.
A little parm?
Yeah,
fresh parm.
Fresh
that does
parm.
make the difference.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So
Mom and Dad, did you see that? You don't have to get it out of that container. Just do it like that. It's easy.
It's easy.
It's easy and it's so fresh.
It's so fresh and it's so good.
Is this going to be hot?
It's going to be a little hot.
Yes, it is.
But it's going to be delicious.
It is delicious.
Yeah, and it's one of those things, again, with the Alessi products that they import. Great products. You start with a great product, dish is going to end up perfect every time.
Fantastic. Now we have less than a minute. We have to go to dessert here.
So dessert, we have this Cappuccino mousse cup.
Yes.
And actually, though Italy is not known for making or growing actual espresso or pods, we made it with their espresso product that they bring in.
Okay.
And it's authentic to the taste of, Italians love good cappuccino, good espresso.
They sure do.
So what we did was we made, with the lady fingers on the bottom, soak them, a little bit of a cappuccino mousse, and then on top just a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of grated chocolate, and it's a great product, so I want you to try.
Thank you, sir, very, very much. So good to meet you.
Pleasure's mine. The recipes are in Burgers, Bowls, and Jars, which actually you could pre-order on my website, chefericlevine.com.
Perfect.
And it's a great book. It's a lot of fun. It's coming out in January, and we have fun with food.
Good Christmas present.
Absolutely.
Look for Alessi products at Publix and Instacart, and check out AlessiFoods.com for this recipe and other unique recipe ideas. You can also register to win an Alessi gift box filled with a combination of the most popular selling items, including Alessi balsamic vinegars, soups, risottos, grinders, extra virgin olive oil, and more. Chef Eric Levine, again, thank you very much.
My pleasure. Enjoy.
Oh, I'm down. I'll be right back.